Hi, nandito kami ngayon sa Las Piñas East National High School. Pwede po kayo magpakilala?
Ako si Miss May Christines Diana, grade 7 English teacher.
Okay. So, bakit niyo po nagdesisyonan maging teacher?
Siguro kasi it's my calling and it's my passion also to teach.
To teach. Saan po kayo nag-college?
Philippine Normal University.
What is your teaching philosophy?
Basically, I'm more of practicalism, and then I believe in teaching English. I believe in law affective filter, wherein students need to have other than conducive environment, they have to not feel fear or call this being afraid of the subject area that they're gonna be learning, especially if it's in English.
In English. Sa classroom po, paano niyo po napapractice yung philosophy niyo?
Basically, we start by games
Games.
so that they would feel that they are at home. And then later, they would, on the process, they would realize at the end of the lesson that, we learn nouns, we learn adjectives through simple games.
Three simple games. They have fun naman po.
Of course,
Yes.
kids like them or students like grade 7, they really want to have
Fun.
games and
Yeah.
fun.
Okay. Sa public school po, ano yung mga naranasan niyo na difficulties inside the classroom?
Yung dami nila.
Ang dami.
Sobrang dami nila na minsan yung lesson mo, imbes na day 1 lang siya, nagiging day 2.
Day 2. Days. What else po aside from the number of students?
Yung resources din. Kasi, konti talaga yung materials namin for teaching. Tapos, atong K-12, kahit sabihin na naka-module siya, hindi enough yung modules na meron para sa klase.
So ano po nagagawa niyo para ma-address yung mga difficulties sa dami ng students, lack of resources?
Yung visual aids, importante siya. Yung paggamit ng blackboard or yung tinatawag na board work para sa teacher. Kasi kung wala namang material yung bata, wala talagang mangyayari kung nakatunganga lang din siya. So, kasi mas visual learner yung mga kabataan ngayon, mas gusto nilang may nakikita. So, kahit wala kang mga handouts, minsan maganda na rin na meron kang nakikita sa blackboard.
Okay po. Ilan taon na po kayo nagtuturo?
8 years na.
Wow, 8 years. I thought you're fresh out of college. Okay, in your 8 years of teaching, ano masasabi mo sa akin and sa mga classmates ko, because we're also gonna be teachers, that can help us in our teaching profession?
Tagalogin ko na lang.
Sige po.
Kailangan matatag yung kalooban nyo. Hindi deny mo yung sarili mo. Yung mga maliliit na bagay, minsan kailangan hindi mo na tawag dito, personally, yung mga bagay na pang sarili mo. I-give up mo minsan para sa nakakarami na nangangailangan sa'yo. Tsaka dapat talaga, passion mo siya. Kasi kung hindi mo siya passion, yung simpleng panggugulo ng maraming kabataan or minsan yung mga disruption ng classes, kulang ng materials, kung mahina ang kalooban mo, hindi matatag ang sikmura mo, bibigay ka sa trabahong ganito. Tsaka, dapat ma-realize mo na hindi siya pera. Buhay yung binubuo mo. Yung buhay na yun yung bubuo ng lipunan. Nabubuo rin ng buong bansa. Kaya, kailangan matatag ang kalooban mo.
Okay. Maraming salamat po.